How to reset Snapchat Stories feed. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to change what you see in Snapchat Stories feed, including the Discover and Public Stories, try the steps. First, you need to try resetting the suggested content if you have this option. If the option of suggested content is available in your region, such as Europe and the UK, you can go to your profile first. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to settings. Then after go to privacy control, and there you will see the option of reset suggested content. This will reset the personalized content that you see in Discover, Stories, and Spotlight. Another thing you can do is clear your data. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down and go to clear cache, that is under account actions. Then tap on continue to do it, and this will clear all the search history, scan history, stories, view history if you have this option, and cache. Now you can go ahead and choose what you watch. Snapchat uses what you watch to personalize your feed. So you can basically go ahead and watch stories from the creators and topics that you enjoy. You can tap and hold onto the stories that you do not like, and then tap on hide story suggestion, and you'll be done. You can unfollow or unsubscribe from creators that you no longer want to see in your feed as well. And remember that in some countries, there isn't a complete reset option. However, these steps will help you change your feed within a few days. The key is to change how you use Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.